Happy New Year, everyone, especially to my viewers, of course, in the Philippines, Canada, France, whole of Europe. In fact, I have some viewers in Ukraine, viewers in the United States, and of course, Asia, especially India. I love you guys. Well, 2025 is coming up in a few hours, and I'd like to give a brief New Year's message. Uh, have you been missing, especially for those who have their parents who have passed on already? Do you miss the time when your father or even your mother was teaching you how to ride a bicycle? In my case, I definitely miss that. And remember, there were ups and downs. Sometimes you hurt yourself while learning how to ride a bike. And I think that's what life is all about. Whatever circumstance that you are in right now, these circumstances do not define you. Remember that. There is God who is teaching you how to ride that bicycle. That's my short New Year's message to everyone, especially to the people who are viewing this vlog, and hopefully as the goal of this vlog is to encourage curiosity. As you watch the videos that I publish, I hope you will learn something. We both will learn from each other. That's what these simple conversations are meant to. And always remember, guys, team, that wherever you are right now, remember that whatever circumstance you are in right now, these circumstances do not define you. Well, in my experience, sometimes challenges sometimes would make you feel sad, or sometimes there are instances where you lose hope. Remember the formula, at least things that work. Get up early, have that billionaire's mindset. It's just a matter of us looking at the opportunities. As they say, when a door closes, it is replaced by many doors that will open. All we need to do is to look around. Rejection is redirection, as they say. So to my global friends, vous avez de la chance d'être en vie. Un jour et Dieu et un plan pour vous, pour nous tous. Que Dieu nous bénisse tous. Merci. Happy New Year.